Hello everyone, this is Indu. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will cover how to use a inner join in SQL. So we have a different type of joins like inner join, left join, right join, full join. So today in this video, I will cover first inner join in a simple way so anyone can easily understand. So you can see we have a two table. First one is the employee and second one is department. And you can see in a employee table we also have a department ID. So firstly I can write here how to find how to use inner join in SQL. So in an interview, wait a minute. In an interview, you can get like that. Interviewer will give you a table. Like one is the employee table and department table, and he will ask you write a query to for inner join and how much record you will find. So it's a very important joins, all the joins like left, right, inner, and full join. So firstly, we will cover this. So I can write the query firstly, then I can explain you. So select e dot name. We can select name and we can select department name and this name, employee name and department name, comma d dot department name, sorry, department name, and from which table, from employees e, because here we can take a e dot name, that's why we can give here. And after that we can write here inner join department with which table, departments table, and D, because here you can see D dot department name, so we can give the name D. And after that we can write here on. Firstly we can write E dot department ID. You can see here we can give here department ID. So firstly we can take this and is equal D dot is equal D dot D dot department ID. Okay, like that way we can write here and semicolon. So so here you can see we have in a inner join. Firstly I can write the definition of inner join. Yeah, sorry, in a inner join, it returns only the matching records like matching IDs. For example, in an employee table, you can see we have only two IDs like 10, 20, and 30. But in the department table, we have a 10, 20, and 30. So in inner join, we only fetch the matching records, same ID. Like here, we can get only two records like where department ID is 10 and 20 because 30 is not in the department table. So I can write here return only the rows where employees employees department department ID matches the department table department table department ID means that matches this table department table ID, that records only show. So we have only two matching, so we can get only the two records, and other other rows are executed here. For example, 3 and 4, this is no match, so it will be execute. It does not show here. So you can see here we can get only the two records. So like that way we can achieve a inner join. So it's a very important question in interview. Like interviewer will give you like these queries and they will say like they will ask you you can write a query to like get a inner join using the inner join or left join right join. So today we will cover inner join. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.